In this video, I'm going to show you a technique to create a video in 1 hour without getting overwhelmed. So the first thing you want to do, have a question to contain your video. You're going to want to be able to answer a question. A lot of how-to videos are a great way to start. And what you do is you pick a question, and you can go on Facebook within your niche and find a question people are asking over and over again. And that's a great way to know that you have a video that people want to view. Now, if you have more than an hour, you can follow it up with some keyword research. You can check out the 30-day video challenge below in the description, where I go through some of that in that challenge. It's a free challenge. But if you just have an hour, just go with your question. That contains your video. Now what you do is an outline. You have your answer. And so you just go through your answer on camera. And one way to practice this is by doing Facebook Lives on a regular basis. And if you want to check out more, I have a video on Facebook Lives right here. So what you're going to be doing is you have your outline that contains your video, and then you're going to have a video template. So whatever video editor that you use, ScreenFlow or otherwise, you're going to create an intro, the meat, and then the outro. And the intro is very simple. It's going to tell people what video they're going to be viewing, and then you're going to have a sting, which is going to be like your logo and maybe a little bit of music, and you can create those and use it over and over again, so it cuts down on your time. And then you have the meat of your video, which is your outline that you've just done. You do that on camera. Stay on point to how much time you have. And again, those Facebook Lives make it easier for you to do that, because when you go live, you're forced to just say what you mean and be done with it, because you don't have a chance to go back and edit like you do with regular video. So I highly encourage you to Facebook Lives. So you have that contained with your outline, and you go ahead and you plug it into your video template, and then you publish and spread it on social media. And if you do this, contain it with 1 hour, it works really well. Now, obviously, all these different parts have more to them. Like there's techniques you can learn about how to keep attention along in your video, how to make it more interesting using different, video angles or camera sources, or bringing in other content that just make it more visually interesting, like GIFs like this one right here, or having video clips like this one from Tim Schmoyer.
All those lessons, there's no shortcut. You just need to make a lot of videos for that. And honestly, those are lessons that we're all still learning. You never finally arrive and you got it and you can move on.
Of course, that was used under fair use, which you'll want to learn about before, doing something like that. Or, how to hook your audience in using your titles in such a way that's engaging. Like, for example, how to do this without that, such as how to lose weight without having to exercise. That'd be a great video to watch, right? So if you want to know more, you can check out the 30-day video challenge in the description below. But regardless, what you want to do is quantity, and that allows you to get to quality. And one way to get to quality is by doing your video in 1 hour and then watching that video, looking for one improvement. There's a lot of different improvements you can make, but look for just one thing you want to improve. And then the next video you create, you focus on that one improvement. And then you do it again and again and again. Through the compound effect, you get better and better and better. And then you switch from quantity of video to quality. But you got to start somewhere, right? And you have to be okay with your videos, looking kind of, in short, sucking. Not looking that great. And then you get better. It's actually a fun process when you get over the idea that it has to be perfect. So if you want to get around that perfection, just go ahead and create video after video and video. Use this technique. This isn't obviously the only way you can create a video in 1 hour, but I find it works quite well. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.
Ba-do.